I'm going to show you how you can neatly cut embroidery patterns from net with soldering iron. First, wait for the gun to heat up, then slowly place it on the fabric where you want to remove the embroidery pattern. Be careful not to touch the embroidery pattern. After that, you can cut it extra fabric easily with the scissor. Thread will be locked and it will not come out even you washed it. As you can see how I'm cutting the extra fabric. It takes time, but trust the process, it's worth it. If you want to learn something, you can ask me if you have any questions. If you like my videos, let me know in the comments. I really appreciate that. Final result.